Hey guys, it's Ed from TechSource and I'm here to show you the process of unlocking your Samsung Galaxy Note 4 smartphone so you can use it with any carrier or country you like. For this demonstration, I will be using my locked T-Mobile Galaxy Note 4 and unlock it so I can use it on my AT&T network, but you can use this video as a guide for any carrier you like. So first off, we need to get the unlock code to start the unlocking process. One of the best and most trusting websites that I use to get my unlock codes is theunlockingcompany.com because their prices are unbeatable and their customer service is the best in the market. So head on over to theunlockingcompany.com and select your phone manufacturer and phone model from the drop down list. And on the next page, go ahead and select the country the phone was originally purchased from and the carrier of the phone. In my case, I purchased it in the United States and the original carrier is T-Mobile. Before we continue, we need the IMEI number of the phone, and the way you look that up on your phone is to open up the dial pad and enter in *#06#. Once the phone displays the IMEI number, you have to go back on the website and enter that in. Once everything is filled out, select get unlocking code and that will take you to the final screen where you have to check out. After checking out, they will email you your unlock code. The price and delivery time of your code varies by phone, but don't worry because they deliver their codes much faster than any other unlocking website. So before we continue, make sure that the phone is powered off. Next, remove the backplate of the Note 4 and the battery as well so you can gain access to the SIM tray. Then go ahead and insert the SIM card that you wish to use with the phone. I want to use the Note 4 with my AT&T network, so I am putting in my AT&T SIM card. If your SIM card does not fit properly, then you have to adjust the size. I have left a link in the description section to show you how that's done. After you insert your SIM card in the phone, go ahead and put back your battery and the back plate and power your phone back on. Once the phone boots up, go ahead and leave the lock screen and immediately a prompt will appear asking you to enter in the unlock code. After entering in the unlock code that you received from the unlocking company, your phone will take you straight to the home screen and your phone will be permanently unlocked. As you can see here, I am using my T-Mobile Note 4 on an AT&T network. So that's how you unlock your Galaxy Note 4. If this video helped you guys out, feel free to leave a like. And if you run into any problems or have any questions at all, feel free to leave them in the comment section down below and I will answer them as soon as possible. This is Ed from TechSource and I will see you guys next time.